Today we'll be going over broken arrow cases and evil eagle. So again, we're going to deal with evil corners, so these two and these two, or fish eyes all around, yeah. And we're dealing with the case where it's a horse face edge cycle, so let's just get started. We have the snowbar case, pretty we have 3 bars, so there's a bar there, there and there. Over here there's a bar there, there and there. And we have the 2 bar cases that are connected. So these two and these two. Yep. So let's just start off with these ones. You can recognize this case just by checking the corners, yep, and checking if there's the 2 bars. If there's only 2 bars, then it's the SAG. So we have these bars and these bars, so like JA and JB, and also JA is the algorithm will probably be on the screen. Yeah, and over here, JB, you set it so that's at the back. So your first move is always going to be corresponding to which direction it is going. So over here, this one is that, and then yeah, it's fairly simple. I'll set the back one up again. So over here, just set it so that's the back. Do the B move, and then I don't know how to explain the triggers, but they're very similar. They're just RU triggers. So the 3 bar cases, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And this case is actually pretty nice because you can just recognize this case without checking corners. It's just you have a bar here, and then these 2 bars, and then so the algorithm, you hold the disconnected bar over here. Or if you would like to think, yeah, here, and then it's that one, yeah. Yeah, it's a very short algorithm actually, it's like this long, I don't know, we'll see when I edit this video. And over here you can do it lefty, but I just do it from the back, because it's actually quite nice, the back one. So it's, yeah. Yeah. Recognition's also the same as before, since it's this bar and these 2. Yeah. Just 3 bars. And now the hard one is this one, where there's no bars. And this can be confused with the other 3 evil edge cases. So yeah. So let's just, so how would you even recognize this case? I mean, you're not going to be AUFing until you find something nice. So what I've thought was, okay, if you ever get this case here, alright, and you know that the edges aren't the K edges, then you could just check. Then you already know it's this one, because this is the only case that can happen that have these corners and everything else. What distincts this, there's literally like nothing here. I mean, you can argue that there's a Z-perm block here and here, but that's really hard to see, especially if you're just trying to look for patterns. So the one I've devised with is you look for this one E block here. Now this E block is fairly easy to recognize, since it's just it's 2 corners that need to be swapped plus this edge. Then you hold it so that the E block is here, and you do the algorithm. Oops, is that the right one? It is. Yeah. Let me go over that case one more time. So it's yeah. At the end it's like, oh nuts. At the end it's it's just this, oh lol, that gets cancelled. So let's just test it out. So, alright, there's 2 bars and we know that it's this case, so that means I set it to the back and then go, well, these 2 bars I want to go to the back and the other 2 bars are at the front. Yeah, this video is quite short for some reason, I don't know why, but yeah, that's the Evil Legal and Broken Arrow cases. Thanks for watching.